Oh, oh, I can't feel I can't hold up my wallet. It feels so much more heavier today, guys. Holy shit. Yo, okay, I gotta admit, man, I was acting like a kid that was new to crypto. Okay, when I saw that price just like absolutely soar last night, I think we are at like what 9,400, and then I seen it was like past 10K, and I was like jumping up. I was like, what the hell? It went from 10K to 10,300, 10,500, 10,700, and like, yeah, I got giddy. I got excited. I felt like those kids in the Telegram chat dropping stickers. When Lambo, when Moon, when Binance, when Moon. Yo, it's amazing. It's amazing. I mean, like, you know, I did like 2 videos yesterday. I went live once and I did a video on digiterx, so I couldn't really cover the price of Bitcoin. And you guys know, if anybody really follows my videos, I told you guys, I don't want to cover a price, Bitcoin price, until it crosses 10K. Only until it crosses 10K. I said I'll do that, right? Like, we had a lot of other YouTubers that were making, price prediction, not price predictions, but they would pretty much cover Bitcoin's price when it goes up 200, goes up 300, maybe it goes up 400. And like, we all know that the price of Bitcoin is manipulated by the suits until they can only do that for so long. And I said, only when Bitcoin crosses 10K is when it's newsworthy for me to talk about it. I'm not gonna go make an empty content video on Bitcoin when it's at, what we're at 4,000 and it goes up to 4,400. That just doesn't make any sense to me, right? So it's almost like, you know, like this point where we're at right now, a guy that's eating a lot of fast food, he's not really watching what he's eating, and then all of a sudden, like 4 months goes by, he wakes up one day and he's fucking fat. That's like how I feel right now with Bitcoin. It's like, how did we get to this point? It's like almost overnight. We went from like 3K to like 10K overnight. And as a matter of fact, it went to past 11K, 11,000, I think, at $80. So that's pretty cool, man. Shit. Looks like, yeah, man, I might have to start back trading because it kind of seems like the markets are shaping back up. Although you could have traded before, but you know what I mean? Hopefully the manipulation is not going to be as heavy. Woo! Crazy. So the question remains right now. Should we go long or should we go short? Right? Is this going to continue? A lot of people say, yeah, I don't know. Oh, shoot, there goes my damn battery. A lot of people say, yeah, we got a couple people here. I do it. Appreciate you guys joining. Just went for my coffee and I said, why not? Just do a video just do a quick little stream, and whoever joins. Whoever watches the replay watches it. But I just wanted to talk about this, man, because this is definitely newsworthy. I don't know if you guys what are you guys doing? Are you guys trading? Are you guys hodling? I don't know, man. I'm not gonna lie, man. When you are reliant on cryptocurrency to pay bills, when you do this shit full time, at the end of the month, every day, you gotta be like, okay, so should I take money out of this crypto, out of that crypto, out of Bitcoin? You know what I mean, to pay this bill? So I'm kind of thinking right now, what should I do? I don't want to touch my Bitcoin now. Let me know how you guys doing. How you guys enjoying this nice rally? It's been a long time coming. We went up to like 2K overnight pretty much, right? Bitcoin went pretty much 2K overnight, increased to 2K in price overnight, which is freaking crazy. I did a little quick post on my community tab and I said, did we get transported back to 2017? Did we get transported back to 2017, ladies and gentlemen? We're talking about Bitcoin bull run all over again. Nutty. Who we got here, man? You guys let me know who we got in the house, man. If you guys are as excited as I am, and I would repeat what I said at the beginning because, this may be a very short live stream. I just wanted to express my emotions and send it out there to the ether in the YouTube universe, if you know what I mean. I don't think I missed anything. Yeah. What are you guys going to do? You guys going to go short or you guys going to go long? One guy was telling me this shit could go past like, I don't know. He was talking about 11,700. I don't know. At this point, it's kind of like, it may seem like a gamble. At this point, no matter which way you choose, you might want to just take your profits and be happy with that, bro. Honestly. And hey, by the way, everyone who watched that video I did on digiterx yesterday, I appreciate that. A lot of you guys didn't really understand how that whole DigiDAO token works, but yeah, I think I did a good job in pretty much describing it. just chilling at the park right now, thinking about what I should do. Which crypto should I move to pay some bills? Definitely not my Bitcoin, because alts aren't doing that great. So, they're not doing as good as Bitcoin. If you look at the dominance, I think it's like freaking like 57% Bitcoin dominance, right? So Bitcoin is definitely trending in that upward trend over the alts. So that's the thing, man. There's a lot of decisions to be made, right? I got to figure out, okay, which one to sell to pay some bills. Might have to start back trading. Binance, I want to get a futures platform that accepts Canadians. I know bitmex, there's some sort of restrictions there. A lot of people tell me about bybit, right? And bybit actually messaged me, actually, so I might hit them back up to see what they want. And there's another one out there. What's it called? I forget the name. That one dude uses it. That English guy that does interviews with Adam. That work guy. I forget what it is. But a lot of people told me to stay away from that. Spot market is okay, but like times like this, it's like, why do, it's pretty much 1-for-1. Why do that when you could go leverage? Especially in a bull run, man. You want a leverage trade. Woo-wee! Bitcoin bull run, here we go. All right, okay, crypto lifestyle. Don't sound like that. You sound like you just got into crypto. Calm your horses, cool it down, all right? Take it easy. It's all good. All right, guys. I don't know. I mean, I just wanted to hop on air and pretty much talk about that. We could go on for a bit more, but that's pretty much all I got to tell you guys. But I'll just let it be running. I know a lot of people didn't come join us as yet. Maybe a lot of people are hungover last night celebrating Bitcoin past 10K, which is pretty damn, like 10K is a milestone number. That's a key figure in my opinion. Like anybody who's patient, like as I said, I didn't really care about Bitcoin price when it was at 4K or 5K or 6K or 7K or 8K, 9K. Like literally 9,500, I didn't care. But the moment I went on my phone, this very same phone here that I'm live streaming from, and I went to Binance's app, and I checked Bitcoin price, and I saw 10,300. Okay, literally the last time I saw it was at 9,300. Then I check it is at 10,300. It's kind of like that fat guy that's been eating junk food for the past 4 months, and he wakes up and he looks in the mirror and he sees he's fucking fat. It's like, how did we get to this point? That's how I felt with Bitcoin last night. Like literally, it felt like that just happened overnight, which it did pretty much, But I'm talking about from like 4K to 10K overnight, because when you don't look at the price, when you don't constantly look at Bitcoin's price every day or every other day or every week or whatever, like I haven't been trading as much as I used to, so I can understand obviously traders need to look at price all the time. But for people who are just hodling Bitcoin, when you're looking at it every day, like it doesn't really hit you as hard as it hits someone like myself who just doesn't look at the price until they see 10K, So yeah, that was a good feeling. I haven't had that feeling since like 2017, to be honest. Now we're going to see all the people following back into crypto. Everybody's grandmother is going to want to come back in, unless the suits kind of like break it all down again, right? The suits say, hey, they're getting too happy. Let's crash the price back down, right? Let's crash the price back down to like, to I don't know, 3K again, But that won't happen. I don't think that'll happen. What's up, fellow crypto lifestylers coming in and out, leaving the chat. I want to let this run for a bit while I do my thing. Why not? Oh, by the way, guys, so for those who are interested in deflationary tokens, I am going to have an actual date and time set for you where I will be interviewing the core developer of Bomb Token, okay? And some people are like, who needs deflationary tokens when Bitcoin's mooning? That's deflationary in itself, right? But I was like, no, that's not deflationary, because that's Bitcoin's price is appreciating, but it's the same concept in the sense of it's a limited supply. But these guys do a little bit different, right? They take out percentages out of each transaction, and we're not talking about fees. We're not talking about mining fees. So yeah, we got a lot to learn when it comes to that, and we would have the core developer on the channel sometime next week, so I would confirm the date for you. Bomb Token is definitely, it kind of reminds me of digiterx when it was the hot topic for the last part of, like, I don't know, from like September of last year on way to like January. Bomb Token is pretty much, it's like, it's the bomb, really. But anyways, if anybody has any other input, man, let me know how you guys feel about this. Am I overreacting, or is it warranted? Is it warranted, the excitement? I think it's warranted. Because now we can expect, crossing 10K, the sky's the limit. It really is. And then we cross 11K. The sky's the limit. Like, if you guys wasn't in this space in 2017, and I keep on going back to them, but I have to because the market cap was around the same, right? So Bitcoin was at, I think it was like, if my memory serves me right, okay, when did I go to that blockchain damn thing? It was in January. Was it January? No, I went to that in November. So in November, Bitcoin was around this price, really. It was around 8,000, 9,000. And then all of a sudden it tumbled up to 10K. It tumbled up to 11K. Corrected a little bit. And then it goes up to like 14K, 15K in a matter of like, I don't know, like 5 days. Right? And then this is why I'm comparing this sort of rally to that one. And I mean, you shouldn't really compare it like that, but the way the movement of the price is definitely so alike. It really is. So I'm just going to monitor this for the next couple of days and see where this takes us. Are we going to cross, 11K into 12K? I mean, at this point, anything's possible, to be honest, guys. Anything is possible. Nobody really knows, right? Nobody really knows. But this is something that I think we have broken out that trend, of that bearish trend. We have really... crossing 10K, anything could happen. That's all I could tell you. Smash like. 5 people, no likes. Come on, man. You guys must like me a little bit. You must like me a little bit if you're here. Smash like. Ah, man, this coffee's good. I'm gonna go for a ride. I don't know, you guys let me know if you got any comments. Actually, I'll chill here for a bit. One guy was telling me that how he wasn't live streaming, but he was recording from his phone, and it was literally on. Somebody saw. What's up, Chizer? I keep trying to catch the dip. Honestly, eh? Hold on, I missed that. I gotta read that. I keep trying to catch the dip and sell and buy it back, but I'm losing my BTC. I need to leave it alone. No, straight up. I don't mean to laugh at you. I'm just laughing at, because I'm laughing at how ironic it is, because I was thinking the same thing. I was like, ask the guys in my chat. I don't know if you are there, Chester. I don't see your name unless you got a different username. But I was telling him, I was like, look, this is going up at such a high rate. It's going up. It's going up way too high. Like, should I lock this into a stable coin? Because I'm not on a futures platform, right? So I was like, is it time to lock this in a stable coin? This was when it was at 10,000, I think, like 400-ish. Right? And then lo and behold, it goes up to like 11,080 bucks, and now it's back down to like about 10,800, right? So yeah, at this point it's like, I don't know what to do, bro. Like, going back to, like, if we look at 2017, this is exactly how it happened, right? 9K, 10K, 11K, like overnight, and then it like stayed there for like a couple days and went up to like 14K. I'm not saying that's what's going to happen now, but maybe this whole Facebook shitcoin is creating a buzz, which it is. Oh damn, there goes my gas light. Whatever. We making Bitcoin, man. We could afford some friggin' expensive gas today, boy. I can tell you that much. But anyways, so yeah, was I talking about 2017? Yeah, no. So the Facebook coin, I think, is creating quite the buzz right now, and I mean, I don't know if that's why everyone's buying all this shit, Bitcoin or what, but. I had my uncle ask me about it, of all people. I visited my mother last weekend, and he was telling me, oh, Facebook's making a coin. So maybe, if my uncle's asking questions, I could imagine the rest of the world, right? The people who are not into crypto but hear about it, but want to invest, but don't want to invest, right? But want to invest. So those people are probably buying shit tons of Bitcoin. Who knows, man? It's just speculation on my end, but I'm led to believe that's the case. 7 people smash like. I appreciate each and every one of you. People are joining late. You guys are waking up from that Bitcoin party you had last night, eh? You got that hangover still, huh? Waking up late, coming to the show. I seen one guy. I did 2 videos yesterday. I was in bed. I was like, I ain't gonna do another live stream right now. But I checked out who was doing live streams. Is it safe to enter now, bro? I don't know. Like, what are you dealing with? What do you mean? No time to party yet, exactly. No time to party yet. But in the sense that, though, Cheser, 10K, and I know I said this 100 times on this live stream, But 10K is a key figure in terms of the tide shifting, in terms of we're seeing the market start to not get robust, but revive itself. You know what I mean? Oh, I shorted that dump though, 10x. Oh, good for you. Good for you, man. So what platform are you on though? Are you on Binance? Or are you on a futures site? When it says shorted, did you are you on bitmex or are you on USDT or some stable coin? Oh, bybit. Man, I keep hearing about bybit, bro. And they emailed me asking me, hey, if you're interested, you know, you could do some videos for us and da 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 da. But I never really looked into them. I thought they were kind of whack, to be honest, but I keep on hearing the opposite. It's awesome, man. Yeah. Could you explain to me, man? Because I don't trade futures. On bitmex, Canadians aren't allowed, and I never really seeked out a second option just because I don't know. I'm a little bit too busy. I guess that's not a good enough excuse. But what's the difference between bybit and bitmex? If you don't mind telling me. Some people say bybit's way better, and I didn't really look in to see why it is. Are you betting against the house? Chizer, I think they can. I think Bybit, they do allow American users to come in. Yeah, you know why? So what the fact says Bybit are fast and no lags. You know why? Because they don't got nowhere as close as the amount of volume as BitMEX does and users. Oh no, oh shit, no USA. What about Canadians? You're in Europe, yeah, right on. Yeah, I know a lot of Europeans use it, man. I know one guy, he's actually from the States and he uses Bybit. He has a VPN going on. Yo, guys, smash the like. I appreciate it. All you gotta do is this and bap. If you're on your cell phone or if you're on your laptop, just take your mouse and go click. Done. You don't know about Canada? That's okay, pal. I appreciate you for you know, pretty much putting your word on Bybit. So you're like the fifth person. So I actually might I might check them out. Somebody was what's the other one? There's another one. There's BitMEX, there's Bybit, and what's that other freaking one called, man? That guy Keith Warwick. I don't know if you guys are familiar with him. He does interviews with Adam as well. He's I'm gonna say he's bullish on that exchange, but they don't own a token, I don't think. What's it called? Quadric? No, not Quadric. It's I have it at the tip of my tongue. I just can't say it. I just registered today and made a deposit on short so fast. Oh yeah. So you got it when it was at what, 11K and it went down to 10.7? Hey, people are making some good money right now doing well before they went long, right? Trading futures, man. So I'm a spot market guy. I gotta get into that whole futures game. You know, I was waiting for digiterx to fucking go live, man. You know, imagine if digiterx was live right now. And I know this video is not about digiterx, but if they launch that damn fucking exchange, bro, we will be that would have been my go-to futures platform, and then, you know, the token would have been up. Now this mini, like, this is not even a mini rally. This is a legit rally right now with Bitcoin, right? That token would have appreciated. Bitcoin, everybody would have been happy. But freaking digiterx, man, they couldn't get their damn shit together on time. Although I think they're gonna have their day, but we're gonna have to wait for that. But anyways, this isn't about digiterx. What are you seeing here? What the fact is telling me something? Hold on, what the fact? What the fact says, yeah, all the way, man. I'm waiting for another dump. What do you see this happening, man? You think it's going to dump down to what? Is that, like, you know, it did project, like, not project, but the trajectory, and like it just soared, man. It really did soar. So you could probably see some sort of a correction coming, but who knows, bro? At this rate, anything's possible, right? Anything's possible. I mean, like, I wouldn't be surprised if we see like another, you know, if we see like 11K, 11,700, 12K. I would not be surprised, right? Like, yo, I'm not saying this is a bull run, okay? I don't like to use those words. Words I don't like to use very lightly in this space is when moon, bull run, scammer, you're a scammer. But I know I'm saying this. But right now, anything's possible when there's a bull run, right? So nobody can really tap into that ceiling. I'll tell you that right now. Oh shit, I missed something. Oh yeah, you're saying 10? Yeah, that's realistic for sure. 10,500. Definitely, man. Definitely. Okay, guys, we're hitting about 20 minutes. If there's anything you got for me, let me know now. Coffee's getting cold. I'm talking too much. I'm about to head out. Take care, man. Later. Yeah, pal. Thank you for joining. And yeah, I don't know if you're into deflationary tokens. Check me out on Tuesday, man. I got an interview with the core developer of Bomb. Okay, it's definitely the hot topic now, making people a shit ton of money. But right now, it's all about the BTC gains, bro. It's about time the crypto gods answer us, answer our prayers, man. It's about time. Hey guys, smash like, and yeah, I appreciate you guys. I'm outie, man. Enjoy them gains. Trade safe. Don't lose it all. Don't lose it all in one swing, man. All right, don't lose it all in one swing. Just tread lightly. Let's make that fucking money.